नमस्कार। इंडिया बुक ऑफ रिकॉर्ड्स के इस खास प्रोग्राम में आपका बहुत स्वागत है और मैं प्रज्ञा झा। आप जैसे मेरे पीछे देख रहे हैं, ये इंडिया बुक ऑफ रिकॉर्ड्स का मुख्यालय है। यहाँ पे तमाम टैलेंट्स जो कुछ एक्स्ट्रॉर्डिनरी करके दिखा चुके हैं अपनी लाइफ में, कई रिकॉर्ड्स अपने नाम दर्ज कर चुके हैं, उन सभी से हम बात करने वाले हैं। यहाँ पर देश के अलग अलग जगहों से सभी लोग यहाँ पर हमारे साथ मौजूद होंगे, चाहे वो एक बच्चा हो या एक वयस्क हो, सभी हमारे साथ मौजूद होंगे। चलिए एक एक करके बात करते हैं और उनके टैलेंट्स के बारे में जानते हैं। क्या नया उन्होंने हासिल किया, क्या नया उनके अंदर का टैलेंट उन्होंने निकाला है, उभार कर एक मंच जो इंडिया बुक ऑफ रिकॉर्ड्स ने उन्हें दिया है उसका इस्तेमाल कैसे किया गया है, चलिए जानते हैं।
Ma'am, I had made fastest in typing numbers from 1 to 100 on a laptop with space on an index finger.
What inspired you to do that?
Next plan, I think I want to do another record on the India Book of Records. Yeah, like same as the fastest.
From where did you come to know about India Book of Records? Did your parents supported you? Good morning, Pramukh.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you?
Fine. How about you?
Welcome to IBR. As you know, it is the convocation and we are recording the records of record holders. Okay. So what record have you made?
Ma'am, I had made fastest in typing numbers from 1 to 100 on a laptop with space on an index finger.
Wow, that's wonderful. What inspired you to do that?
Ma'am, like we actually want to be fastest in every time. Like now the technology have been input from fast to year for the fastest. Even we have to be the fastest in every aspect. So I actually wanted to do this. So I had made.
Okay. What is your next plan?
Next plan, I think I want to do another record on the India Book of Records. Yeah, like same as the fastest.
Okay, we can go for Asia Book of Records also. You know that?
Yeah, ma'am, I got it.
Of course. From where did you come to know about India Book of Records?
Ma'am, I actually come to know like in Karnataka there are so many aspirants from younger to elder age. Everyone are doing something. They're showing their talents in all the aspects. So even I wanted to show my aspect in one or the other way.
Okay. And what was the impact of your record on your friends, on your relatives, on your teachers? What was that? Did they were happy about you?
Yeah, ma'am, they were happy about me. Like something I was wanted to do and I want to achieve in the education. So I want to do apart from that something I have to do from other aspects also. So I think my family and everyone made proud from this India Book of Records.
Okay. Did your parents supported you?
Yeah, ma'am, they supported me. Like they said that you do what you want, I will be with you. So they had been my backbone.
Okay. What the challenges did you face when you were making that record?
Ma'am, like I can say that if we try once any work, if we try once, we can't achieve it in the first try only. Yeah, only when our luck is there, we can achieve it in the first time. We have to do attempts. We should try again, and then only we can do that. I actually tried for several times for this record. I got the best result was 1 minute 44 seconds and 91 milliseconds.
Okay. That's wonderful, Pramukh. And we are looking forward to for your next record also. Thank you so much.